Hi and welcome back from hiking Dragon's Back Trail in Hong Kong. My name is Jonathan, and in this section I'll tell you everything you need to know to perform this hike yourself. So, the trail is about 4.7 kilometers long, and it took me about maybe 2 hours to hike. The elevation gain is about 170 meters, so not a lot. I would say it's a fairly easy hike, suitable for beginners. To get to the trailhead, it took me about 20-25 minutes from central Hong Kong, and it cost me about 150 Hong Kong dollars. So getting around with cab in Hong Kong is very cheap, and I suggest you do the same. So I started off at a place called Sheko Peak, and initially there is a bunch of stairs you have to ascend that will take you onto this gravel road. So, and for the first half of this trek, it goes through a bit of vegetation. You won't have that great views. So you just hike along until you reach sort of a crossroad where you go to the left, hiking up actually onto the Dragon's Back, with its famous views in all directions. You can see the ocean to the left and to your right. What some people do is they also go down to something called Big Wave Bay, which is a nice beach area where you can also take a swim. I did a through hike all the way to the end of the Dragon's Back, and there is actually a small beach at the end there as well if you're into swimming. It's almost strange how close to nature you can get from that short distance out of the city. Like there is this skyline with skyscrapers everywhere, and all of a sudden you're out in the nature on the countryside doing the Dragon's Back. So I think this shift in scenery is unique to Hong Kong. If you enjoyed this video, please consider showing your support by subscribing to my channel, giving a like on this video. I also finished the Lion Rock Trail. If you want to see that hike, visit my channel and see it. Alright, take care.